The last green leaf. Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by tall mountains and clear rivers, lived a young girl named Mia. She loved nature and spent her days playing in the fields and climbing trees. However, one day, Mia noticed something strange. The trees were losing their leaves, and the flowers were wilting. The village was becoming dull and gray. Mia decided she had to do something. She gathered her friends and shared her worries. "If we don't act now, our beautiful village will disappear," she exclaimed. Together, they brainstormed ideas to help the environment. The next day, the children planted seeds in the empty spaces where flowers once bloomed. They also created colorful signs to remind everyone to recycle and reduce waste. They organized a big cleanup day by the river, picking up trash and making their village look beautiful again. As the weeks went by, the village slowly transformed. The seeds they planted began to sprout, and soon, vibrant flowers filled the fields once more. The trees started to grow new leaves, and the air felt fresher. One sunny morning, Mia spotted a single green leaf on the oldest tree in the village. It was a sign of hope. She called her friends, and they celebrated their success. They had learned that even small actions could make a difference. From that day on, the village was filled with laughter and life again. Mia and her friends continued to protect their environment, reminding everyone that the earth is our home and we must care for it.